As a business owner, you might like the idea to use the most powerful AI models that are available. For example, from the company that invented ChatGPT. So let's see how we can do that. In the last video we have created a local AI flow using local LLMs with Ollama. And now we would like to use OpenAI models. OpenAI is the company that invented ChatGPT. So let's go back to the main dashboard here. And we can mark this check mark here and click on duplicate. So we don't have to do everything once again. Now let's enter the new AI flow here. When we select the component for the model, we can hit the delete key. So let's pick one of these models here. I said we are going to use OpenAI. And here we have several models. I'm going to use the GPT-4o mini model because it's very affordable. You can have the flagship model, which is capable of doing more complex tasks. But in this case, GPT-4o mini is more than enough. Now let's connect the components here. And I would like to ask the same question like in the video before. And this time it should go much faster. Here is my answer already. It took about a second, so this is very fast. Let's try if it can give us a German answer. And it says, of course, how can I help you? And this is because it can't remember the conversation before. Let's say, which questions did I ask you? And it says, I'm sorry, I don't have the ability to recall past interactions or questions. And this is because we don't have any memory. So we need to add memory in another video. But for now, we have learned how to use OpenAI models and how to exchange the model component in our AI flow. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.